Hello everyone and welcome back to Decor Art channel. In this video we bring you a collection of modern gates design ideas. Please like this video, comment with your opinion, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and here we go. You can call a building your home only when it offers a feeling of security and comfort. It is a private space that is designed exclusively for your family and must have no access to the outsiders. However, how do you restrict the entries and call it your own? With a compound wall, secured with a sturdy gate design, of course. Now that you have built your dream house, it is time to think of the most important aspects: security and privacy. You simply cannot compromise on these factors and must invest on a rock-solid entrance gate designs. Not only does the main gate keep intruders away from your private area, but also increases the overall value of the property. Gates are necessary for any type of property. Apart from keeping out unwanted entries, they also offer many functions. From guarding your home against intruders to braving the odds of weather changes, gateways are the best bet to stay safe inside. At the end of this topic, please like this video, comment with your opinion, and subscribe for more decoration ideas.